Hey guys, welcome back to the Childbus channel. So in this video we'll be showing you how we made this awesome mouth-watering extraordinary ogbono soup, which is a very excellent Nigerian delicacy from the Igbo tribe. But before we get started, please, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do all to subscribe, hit the notification button so you never miss an update from the Childbus. Let's get started. Right after prepping all our ingredients, we're just going to place a pot on fire and add sufficient water into it. So we're going to start cooking by adding in our cooked goat meat, our cooked stockfish, and also our cleaned smoked fish. Okay, we're going to season this, and we're doing this because we don't want the sweetness of our meats and our fish and everything to go into the water and then leave it tasteless. So we're going to try to create an equilibrium taste between the water and the meat. It's just like creating more stock. Okay, so in here we've done all that, so we're just going to add in our diced onion, our pepper, and every other ingredient. So we're just gonna leave this to boil for a while. While waiting for that, we're just gonna add in a ground ogbono. I almost said egusi. We're gonna add in our ground ogbono into a bowl, and then we're gonna mix this with little oil and water. So guys, when diluting yours with water, I think it is best to use either normal water or most preferably warm water. But I used very hot water here, which I wasn't supposed to use. Even the last video I did of ogbono, I think I used lukewarm water. But this hot water made everything so hard because it was it was difficult to dilute. So I had to put in extra effort to actually mix in my ogbono to a perfect blend. Okay, so when you're mixing yours, make sure you use lukewarm water preferably. Okay, so this is it right here. It's looking so wonderful. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're just gonna go and check what we're cooking and add this into it. So here we are now. We're just gonna add in our ogbono into this and stir it extremely well. Alright guys, you can see our ogbono soup is already coming to life. You can see how thick it is. If this consistency or this is if it's too thick for you, you can also add water. So in here we're gonna add some okra into this. I want to add okra because I just want to create some obstruction. I don't want my soup to be extremely smooth. So this okra is going to give it some uniqueness to our ogbono. Okay, so we're going to stir this, and because we added this okra, I felt like we needed to add a little more oil to give us that very sharp good looking ogbono. So we're going to add little oil right after this. So guys, can see how sharp the color of our ogbono has turned out due to the little more oil we added. Yes, can see also our okra is trying to show face. Everything is looking so thick, so beautiful, so mouth-watering. Okay, so right about time, we're gonna put in our Ugwu leaves. Well, I was actually meant to put in my Uziza leaves first, but I actually added this, so I'm just gonna put in the Uziza leaves right now. And then we're gonna give this a quick stir. So guys, our soup is ready to be eaten by anybody, man or woman, from any tribe. Guys, you can eat this with your fufu, your semovita, your wheat flour, your anything, your eba. Just eat with anything. You can even take it like that. I don't care. So this is a wonderful, excellent, mouth-watering, in fact extraordinary ogbono soup. Yes, this has been in existence for ages, and trust me, this soup is marvelous. Even tastes better than it looks. Try this method and thank me later. So thank you guys for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, please do all subscribe, hit the notification button so you never miss an update from the Child Boss. Do well to leave a comment on how you think this video was. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, bye.